Video, I'm going to share my 5 top tips on how I get my YouTube videos ranking well on YouTube. Stay tuned. Hi and welcome back to another DIY virtual tutorial. In today's video, I'm actually going to show you how my channel, which at this moment in time only has 500 subscribers, and is actually getting videos ranking to the top of YouTube like HTML email signature, which according to this little nifty tool I use has got fantastic search volume, but the competition is very, very difficult. I'm going to show you how I do it for free. So tip number 1 is the thumbnail. Okay, this is probably the most important bit of YouTube video ranking, because often if YouTube sees a video which is getting lots of clicks on it, your video is going to YouTube is going to see that and it's going to say, wow, loads of people are clicking on this video, there must be something good about it or something bad about it. But you can see that compared to a lot of the other YouTube videos for HTML email signature, they're not as enticing. Here you've got a cartoon of me, you've got a title saying email signature, and then you've also got a small email signature design at the bottom right hand corner, and you can see it's only been live for a year and yet it's got 22,000 views, and because it's just so well optimized, it's actually beating all the other videos which have been going longer, got more authority, more views, but yet mine's still at the top. So why is that at the top? And a big reason is the thumbnail. So if you've not got a well designed thumbnail, which it actually doesn't need to be difficult to do, having thumbnails with your image or some sort of person in it is actually going to help with your click-through rate. It's just something about having people in a image that creates some sort of trust, etc. So your thumbnail is a really important side of it, and you will just want to keep it nice and simple, and straight to the point, because often it's a thumbnail that people see first and then they move over to the title. So the next thing bringing me onto the title is in fact the title. So tip number 2, your YouTube title needs to be straight to the point. Okay, now if you're like me, you don't really like clickbaity sort of titles, then really you're going to be struggling a little bit more. But I don't want to be misleading or anything, so a title which is what people are looking for. So I know that with email signatures, and again thanks to this little tool I'll link in the description, it's called Search Explorer. It's really good and it's super cheap, but you can do this on Google Keyword Planner or on YouTube or anything on those lines. But I know just from my own experience that often non-coders are wanting, especially business owners are wanting, an email signature, because an email signature presents a lot of opportunity. It's a passive way of selling your other stuff or increasing reviews or showing something that you want to show them without shoving it in their face. And that's why email signatures are so good. So I know that business owners, a typical business owner is not that tech savvy, and often they'll have something designed in Photoshop, place it into their email signature box in their emails, and it's not clickable, or it's not this, or it's not that. So I know that the method that I'm producing, which is Photoshop creating the code, and the business owner doesn't need to do anything apart from copy and paste, is definitely a big topic that they're going to want to know. So what I've done is I've created a Photoshop design into an email signature 2019 novice tutorial. So I'm targeting Photoshop designers, people who've had a email signature designed as in Photoshop, and I'm saying to them, this is how you do it, but you don't need to touch any code. And then I'm saying that it's a current method because I'm introducing 2019, which is the year we're in, and then a novice tutorial. So again, I'm saying that you don't need to be tech savvy, you don't need to be an expert in this area, you just kind of need to know how to click a button. The third thing is the description, and it's the snippet here. So I asked them, looking to create an email signature without coding, and you notice that it's stopping them in their tracks, it's asking them a question, and again, it's pinpointing, it's kind of targeting their problems, which is they're not coders, so they don't know how to code. So I'm asking them, are you looking to create an HTML email signature without coding? It's also got the HTML email signature keyword that I'm trying to rank for in the description. And then I put in the step-by-step email signature tutorial, I'm going to show you how, and then it cuts off there, which is, going to encourage them to click through because they want to finish off reading. And I also say this is a step-by-step tutorial creating email signatures, and again I've got the email signature keyword stuffed in there as well, but it all flows nicely. And now we're going to move on to step number 4, which is in the actual video. And again, this isn't proven yet, but with YouTube creating super sophisticated algorithms to scan content and what's not, because the sheer volume of videos being uploaded, what they do is, well, allegedly, but I've seen an increase in rankings for my videos when I do this method, is they will scan the first few seconds, first maybe 10 seconds of a video to see what sort of wording or information it's giving. And if you include, in this video, I'm going to be creating an HTML email signature, then that's going to help with your ranking. So that's instantly telling YouTube, if this is actually true, which I think it is, it's instantly telling YouTube and your audience what this topic is about, but it's another chance to get your keywords in there. So if you're trying to rank for HTML email signatures, you want to speak or maybe show an image in the actual video to start off with, HTML email signatures, but you want it to flow nicely. So this is why we say in this video, I'm going to be, etc., etc. And so that's a really good little tip. Not a lot of people actually know that. So it's kind of one of those pro tip sort of things that gurus online will try to sell you for like £997. But here I am giving it to you for free. So, okay, and finally, it's all good getting views and it's all good, having people commenting. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. But at the end of the day, depending on your mission, but my niche is small businesses. Small businesses want to earn an income, or they want to increase lead generation, or they want to capture information. So ideally, it's all good getting views, but if they're not converting or doing a next step thing with you, then kind of what's the point? So if we scroll down here, and again, this is something that not many people know, and you can actually pin a comment to the top of your comment section on a video, and this is kind of like the perfect place to put information, because often before people invest their time watching your videos, they kind of want to see what the comments are and what people are thinking and saying and. So actually, when they click on your video, the chances are they're not even going to watch the video first. They're going to scroll down, or whilst the video is playing, they're going to scroll down. And if the first thing that they see is in fact a comment by you with some links and some tools, or go download this, or check this out, or like my Facebook page, or something on those lines, then that's great. And then they see all the comments, etc. And you just scroll down and down and down. But that pinned post is something which has been hugely beneficial, especially to my lead generation stuff. And it's purely because it's the first thing that they kind of see when they come, and click through onto your video, which obviously that's what we want. Well, that's my mission. I want you to watch my videos and then go download stuff that I'm giving you, or go buy stuff from something else. It's just what we do. And it also helps me pay the bills, so I can keep creating really good videos like this for you, which usually costs a lot of money to learn. But yeah, and so ultimately the 5 things is a really good thumbnail, a really good title, just straight to the point. Don't be misleading or anything, just get straight to the point. Try and include your keywords in there. A good snippet video description that's going to pique people's interest. A video announcement of kind of like the keywords that you're trying to rank for, and also a pinned post with all your relevant links and everything. And of course you can include them in your actual description as well, but people will probably see this before they actually read all of this. So include it here, pin it to the top, And just by following those 5 YouTube tips, YouTube optimization tips, you're going to probably not only boost your views, but you're going to boost your conversions and your click-through rates, and it's so simple, but yet we don't apply it. So yeah, I hope this video has helped, and if I have given you any sort of value at all, please make sure you subscribe to my channel and give it a like. Ask me a question, please do comment below. It's probably the best way you can communicate with me, because I'm always on YouTube, and I'm always looking to answer questions and have a conversation with people, especially people who watch my videos. So by all means, ask a question below and I'll probably get back to you within a few hours. Thanks for watching and have a great day.